Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the temperature switch in your GE dryer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4-inch bit and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power to the appliance. Remove the knob from the backsplash. Unthread the 5 screws on the panel. Any missing screws can be ordered through the links in the description below. Pull out and lift the panel from the backsplash. Detach the ground wire. Unthread the 2 screws that secure the backsplash. Pull the backsplash back and lift up to free it from the dryer. Noting the orientation of the wires, detach the wires from the temperature switch. Depress the tab and twist the switch counterclockwise to remove. To install the new temperature switch, insert the switch and twist clockwise to lock in place. Reattach the wires. Set the backsplash back into the dryer slots and push forward to lock in place. Rethread the 2 screws. Reattach the ground wire to the panel. Insert the panel tabs into the slots on the dryer. Rethread the 5 screws. Align the knob on the D shaft and press into place. Plug in the dryer. And your dryer should be ready for use.